What up, though? It's your boy, Forder J. I got some good news and I got some bad news, man. I'm going to tell y'all the bad news first. The motor went out, man. Yeah, the 5.7 motor went out. And it's crazy. I ain't have no ticking or anything. The motor just went out. And I think one of the rods went to the oil pan. Cause we leaking oil. But I took it to the shop. They said the motor bad. Head's bad. But the good part, man, I'm about to go ahead and do the HellCat swap. And also, I'm going to do the 300 front end. I try to keep it stopped. We might go ahead and go all the way with it. So, y'all going to take a ride with me today to pick the 300 dash up. I want the 300 dash. You know, the 300 dash got the blue lights. And also, with the 300 center console, you know, they got the heating and cooling cup holders. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me to pick everything up. We're gonna do a little by little, man. I'm trying to do this on a budget. Even though this swap is not cheap, I'm gonna try to get everything that I can get for the low. All right, man, it's crazy. I recorded me driving on the freeway and actually picking a dash up from this guy. But I don't know what happened to the video. But anyway, man, this is what we talking about right here. The 300 dash. And I was saying earlier in the video, I went with the 300 dash because the cluster, it light up blue. Y'all might be like, there's a couple of parts missing. I got a couple of parts under the dash and over there. So don't worry about that. We're gonna swap this out with the HellCat climate control so we can have launch control and everything. And this is what I was talking about right here. I was talking about the heated and cool cup holders. As y'all can see, this one is picked up right here. We got the cool, and it's the heat, and this the stock one. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and swap that out so we had the heated and cool cup holders, man. This video will be real short. Real short video, man. I'm just letting y'all know what I got going on. And I'm gonna make another video of me picking up the rear cradle. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But stay locked in, man. Leave a couple comments below. It's your boy, Forder J.